After we eat and drink, our bodies utilize the nutrients we've consumed to maintain bodily functions. When the body has taken in all the necessary nutrients, waste products are left behind in the blood or bowel. The urinary system filters and removes the waste from our blood in the form of urine. Normally, adults eliminate between 1 to 2 quarts of urine each day. The actual amount of urine released depends on how much fluid and food a person consumes, as well as how much fluid is lost through breathing and sweat. Certain medications may also influence the amount of urine that an individual eliminates. When we consume foods containing protein, such as meat, fish, and beans, a waste product called urea is produced. Urea, along with excess water and other waste products, is normally released from the body in the form of urine. The urinary system works with the skin, lungs, and the intestines to keep chemicals and water balanced inside the body. The urinary system can also help to regulate our blood pressure in 3 ways: regulating the quantity of water in the blood, adjusting the flow of blood into and out of the kidneys, and activating the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone or RAAS system. The urinary system is composed of kidneys, ureters, the bladder, and the urethra. The combining forms associated with the organs of the urinary system are nephro, uretero, cysto, vesico, and urethro. Each part of the urinary system performs important functions, both for the efficient operations of the urinary system and the body as a whole. As you already know, the kidneys help regulate blood volume, blood pressure, and function to excrete waste. But did you know that it also helps to regulate the ionic composition of blood to include its pH? The kidneys also release the hormone erythropoietin, which stimulates erythropoiesis, or the production of red blood cells, as well as synthesizes calcitriol, an active form of vitamin D. Do you now have a greater appreciation for your kidneys? Let's certainly hope so. Urine flows from each kidney through the ureters and into the bladder. Each ureter contains a one-way valve, so when the bladder is full and contracts to send urine out through the urethra, the pressure doesn't force some of the urine back up the ureter towards the kidney. The urethra is the passageway through which urine is discharged from the body.